Today we're going to talk about how to get a consistent reveal around an installation with Pella Steady Set flip and click brackets. Before we get started, it's important to note that both Pella Reserve and Pella Lifestyle Series products feature a flat interior surface that allows for factory applied wood jamb extensions, field applied jamb extensions, and drywall returns to terminate against. We intentionally designed all window hardware, operable sashes, screens, and other components to void this area of the frame. This helps ensure there will be no interference with finished materials up to 5/8 inch thick. Here we have the Steady Set flip and click installation brackets, which look like an L. They are beside the window frame, between the window frame and the rough opening wall structure. These brackets are made of 16 gauge steel and include countersunk fastener holes to allow the screws to sit flush. This is different than truss brackets and electrical brackets that you commonly find between the drywall and the studs. The difference allows that screw to sit flush and not protrude. Placing drywall over the Steady Set brackets is no different than placing drywall over these other brackets. For a standard drywall return, simply install the field applied jamb extension or drywall return against the side of the bracket and terminate into the interior of the window frame as shown here. When a factory or field applied jamb extension is installed, the window frame and bracket provide the same interior reveal. This gives you a consistent fit and finish every time and helps eliminate work downstream for drywallers and finish carpenters.